Why are there some plants of one kind and others of another? Some animals of one sort and others? There are no two exactly alike combinations in the universe. All the combinations are different. There are no two movements exactly similar in the universe. There is nothing which is reproduced exactly. There are analogies, there are similarities. There are families. There are families of movements which may be called families of vibrations. But there are no two identical things, neither in time nor in space. Nothing is repeated. Otherwise, there would be no manifestation. There would be only one single thing. Manifestation is simply diversity. It is the one deploying himself in the innumerable indefinitely. There is only one reality, and all that is only a multiple expression of single reality. And whether you give it this name or that, or no name at all, you understand, or several names, you are always speaking of the same thing, which is the single divine who is all things. Sri Aurobindo says, the oneness exists. Whether you are aware of it or not, it exists. In reality, it makes no difference, but it makes a difference to you. If you are conscious, you have the joy. If you are not conscious, you miss this joy. Whether you know it or not, you want it or not, you are all united by the divine presence, which, though it appears fragmented, is yet one. The divine is one. He only appears fragmented in things and beings. And because this unity is a fact, whether you're aware of it or not, doesn't alter the fact at all. And whether you want it or not, you are, in spite of everything, subject to this unity. You think you are separate from one another, but it is the same substance which is in you all, despite differences in appearance. And a vibration in one center automatically awakens a vibration in another. But that oneness exists, even if you feel just the opposite, is a fact that you can do nothing about, for it is a divine action and a divine fact. It is a divine action and a divine fact. If you are conscious of the divine, you become of this fact. If you are not conscious of the divine, the fact exists, but you simply are not conscious. That's all. But all that is essentially divine, and the divine oneness is a fact. You can't do anything about it. All your unconsciousness and all your denials will change nothing. It is a fact,